What's up, Red Team? Welcome back. Today, I just want to do something fun. I got the drone in the trunk. I want to go see if I can get some really cool drone shots of the car. But first, coffee. So real quick, last time on the vlog, I talked about how when you have a bright red stick shift or shift knob, I was worried about the color fading. The last one, the GT350 shift knob, has the plastic ring, and I bought this little guy just to keep it real cozy. Seeing how rainy it is reminds me that I need new windshield wipers. All right, so it's way too rainy right now for me to be thinking about taking the drone out. A couple of little drops on the camera lens, and then the footage is gonna be ruined. So I'll try that another day. But because of the rain, I'm here at O'Reilly Auto Parts. I'm gonna get a couple new windshield wipers because this car definitely needs them. I don't wanna smear water all over my windshield and not be able to drive. I see you, okay? I see you. And that thing's looking nice. Step one, always read the instructions. So taking these off should be pretty easy if I remember. It's hard to do with one hand though. First, pop this little guy right here so that it's off the little hook. Pull down, I think. Oh. Yeah, there it is. Do it with two hands. All right, so we got the windshield wipers off. My car looks real gimpy right now, and we're gonna go ahead and get the other wiper blades on. So I went with a Bosch Focus. Again, your driver's side is 22 inches, your passenger side is 20. If you want this same brand, you need to make sure you're getting the OE. So the FS22OE, FS22OE, or 20OE. So although these come with a bunch of different adapters for the wiper blade, you'll find that the one that comes already attached plugs right on in. And you're done. You're done. And that's it. If you followed along, you should be, white balance is off. All right, and that's it. So if you followed along, you should have already been able to replace the windshield wiper blades on your S550 Mustang. I like that brand. I've used it on my Corvette and all my Mustangs. Pretty much been Bosch, just because it was the first brand that was pretty good when I was introduced to, like, you know, doing my own stuff on cars. Maybe there's way better brands out there that make wipers, but these are really good, so I really like going with them. That's it. That's it. So you've reached the end of the video. Thank you very much. I hope you liked the tutorial. I put a little bit of vlog into it just to make it a little more entertaining. If you got your answer, great. For the most part, this channel is about car project content and driving and just car enthusiasm. But if that's the kind of stuff that you like, why don't you stick around? Go ahead, drop a like. I would really appreciate that. But even more importantly, stick around with a subscription and hit the little bell so I can hear you. I can't hear you if you don't hit the bell. All right, guys, till next time. Peace.